gotten tired, I'm not inspired the way I once was. When I was stronger, I'd always take the long way home. But I know it won't get better, simply pretending I did well. I got to fight it and feel the sunshine reflecting off the windowsill. Sparrows flying up and over both our halos. I think we'll take a drive along the back roads, and I'll hold you close. I think I finally understand you're never too old to be young again. Maybe I will stop thinking about all the reasons why I should give up, and maybe that will allow me to work around me and keep all of your love. The smell of the air can still take you back there to when you didn't care. Sparrows flying up and over both our halos. I think we'll take a drive along the back roads, and I'll hold you close. I think I finally understand you're never too old to be young again. You leave me notes before you leave, your lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love could part the sea. I'm thankful that you want me, dear. Do you think about how these paths all lead us to somewhere? Do you think about traveling and growing old? A couple of kids when I was holding your hair back. Now we got our own future, our own stretch of road. The way you dress up on a warm night still gets gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. Making up takes little time, because you laugh when you get mad. And when I wrap my arms around you, suddenly we just forget. Do you think about where we're living, kids in the front yard? Do you think about traveling and growing old? Put a couple of fences up so dogs don't escape when mailman delivers us a pot of gold. The way you dress up one night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. I used to fear the vast and great unknown, but now I'll never face that world alone. You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love is shaking me. I'm thankful that you want me here. The way you dress